Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the gap behind the door, height, width, and depth, so what you buy actually fits. Once done, pick a mounting style: adhesive for light loads, over-the-door hooks for no-drill installs, or screws for heavy storage. Make sure to match the load rating. Now prepare tools: tape measure, level, pencil, and either a drill or the adhesive kit. You want a confident first install. Mark positions and double-check clearance before proceeding so nothing binds when the door swings. You assemble the unit following the manufacturer steps, tightening fasteners but avoiding over-tightening that strips threads. Once assembled, test fit it behind the door and leave a small gap, about 0.5 to 2 cm, so the door closes without scraping. If it's an over-door system, hook and adjust the bracket. If it's wall-mounted, mark anchor points and drill. After securing, check the level and alignment. Make small shims or bracket tweaks if the unit tilts, because a crooked mount will stress fasteners over time. You finish by loading the space behind the door gradually. Put heavier items low and centered to reduce leverage on mounts. Once loaded, label zones for quick access and confirm the door closes with 1 to 2 cm clearance. If the door rubs or sticks, first recheck and tighten hardware, then add felt pads to contact points. If needed, reposition the unit 1 to 3 cm away from the hinge side. This troubleshooting step prevents damage and keeps the storage functional over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.